Hi, Namaste. This is Mansi Gulati, your face yoga expert, and you're watching Fit Turk. Today we are going to do water poses. Water poses are excellent for strengthening and toning your facial muscle. Really good for radiant, beautiful glow. Let's start. Fill your mouth with water, hold it for 10 seconds and pull water upward. Release. Every asana we have to perform for 3 times for better result. Now let's do water twisting pose. Twist. Let's do it together. Fill your mouth with water. Relax. All the muscle will get contracted. This helps to increase blood circulation. Now let's do water smiling pose. Smile as much you can. Fill your mouth with water. Stretch it properly, smile. We can feel the beautiful stretch. All the muscle will be relaxed. Now let's do water up pulling pose. Very good for your necklines. And release. Now let's do the light massage. Afterward, keep your hand here. Pull it like this. Go back. Forward. Go back. Relax. Forward. Go back. Close your eyes, index finger, rotate your eyeball. Center, apply light pressure, rotate. Side of your ear, rotate. Thank you for watching our video. Do like and share.